guys, it's Sherelle. Today I have a back to school supplies haul video. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe right down below. We are so close to 60,000 subscribers, which is so amazing. It literally melts my heart thinking about 60,000 of you subscribe to my channel and watching my videos. You may not think that's a lot, but I think it's a lot, and I'm going to be a senior in high school, so you guys could probably guess why I'm so over school by now. Comment down below what grade you guys are going into, because I'm really curious if you're like close to my age or maybe not so close. So let's get into this haul. I'm just gonna pull something random out of this box. Okay, so I'll start off with these. These are post-it notes. They're like sticky notes and they have lines on them. So I just write down everything that I need to get done during the day. Okay, so the next things I got are a pack of pens. These are just the Papermate colorful pens. These I think are going to be great for taking notes. And then I got these pens as well. These are like the ones for correcting papers and blah blah blah. So there's like black pens, blue, and then a red one. The next thing that I got are a pack of pencils. These are mechanical black pencils. I've never had the black ones before. Fancy pencils that everyone gets. Next thing I got are some highlighters, and these are really cute. I love how like big they are, and also they have the clear view, so like you're able to see what you're writing and how much you need to highlight it. The next thing that I got is a notebook. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna need to go back and get another notebook. I also had to get college ruled because I don't know if it's just me, but I hate wide ruled paper. I can only use college ruled because wide ruled annoys me. Next, I got a folder. I just got one instead of getting a few. I just throw everything in this folder. Next thing that I got is some whiteout. I can't tell you how many times I had to ask for whiteout from the person sitting next to me. So now I have my own. This is the pencil bag that I chose this year. So it's white and this like grayish blue color. Really cute, plain, and yeah, so I get a pencil bag every year as well. Prismacolor colored pencil set. I have the big colored pencil set. I've had that since freshman year, but I saw this one and it's like a small pack. To go along with the art classes that I'm taking, I got 2 sketchbooks. So they look like this, and we were supposed to do a lot of summer work for my art class, but haven't started on that. So the next thing I got is this pack of pencils. I lose these so fast, but if you lose these, it's not a big deal. I got a pack of erasers as well, and then a pack of double-sided tape. People don't really get tape for school supplies. I do every year. The next thing that I got are some plain index cards, and then the last school supply that I got besides my backpack, this notebook. It's a graph paper notebook, and I love these because I hate getting the loose leaf graph paper. So the last thing that I got is my backpack. This is the backpack that I chose for this year. Funny little joke that I figured out is that every year of high school I've had this like tradition of getting a pink Victoria's Secret backpack. I've got one freshman year, sophomore year, and then junior year as well. But then this year I got a pink backpack. I was gonna go for the yellow, but I decided on this one. I got it from Urban Outfitters and it was $80, but I'm hopefully going to be using this for not just school, but also like the rest of this summer and then next summer. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe right down below, as well as comment what grade you guys are going back into for school. I will see you guys in my next video, and I look forward to that, so I'll see you guys then. Bye guys! Mwah!